Welcome to Easy Shadowing Channel. Practice speaking with me by listening carefully and shadowing to improve your fluency and confidence. Tonight's story begins after midnight on a walk that was never planned. Emma left the building later than she expected. The meeting had lasted too long, the conversation drifting without a clear ending, until everyone slowly realized how late it had become. When she finally stepped outside, the air felt cooler, heavier, as if the city itself was preparing to rest. She checked her phone and already knew what she would see. The last bus had left. No more routes, no shortcuts. For a moment, she considered calling a taxi, but something about the quiet street made her pause. The night felt calm, not empty, and she suddenly did not feel like rushing home. Emma put her phone away and started walking. The street was long and almost perfectly still. Shops were closed, their windows dark, reflecting her movement as she passed. Each step echoed softly, not loudly enough to feel dangerous, but clearly enough to remind her that she was alone. As she walked, she became aware of how different the city felt at this hour. During the day, it pushed people forward, demanding speed and attention. At night, it seemed to step back, allowing space to exist between one moment and the next. She passed a bakery she had visited many times before, though she had never seen it like this. Without lights or customers, it looked smaller, more honest. A handwritten sign on the door promised fresh bread in the morning. The simple certainty of that message made her smile. Further down the street, she noticed movement under a street lamp. A man stood there, smoking slowly, his shadow stretching across the pavement. He did not look at her, and she did not look at him for long. They shared the space without interaction, each respecting the other's silence. Emma continued walking, her thoughts moving in rhythm with her steps. She was not thinking about work anymore, nor about tomorrow. Instead, memories surfaced naturally, moments she had not visited in a long time. Late nights from years ago, other streets, other versions of herself. Then she heard footsteps behind her. At first, she told herself it meant nothing. Cities were full of people moving through the night for countless reasons. Still, the sound stayed consistent, neither getting closer nor fading away. Her body reacted before her mind did, her shoulders tightening slightly as her attention sharpened. She slowed down, pretending to adjust her bag. The footsteps slowed too. Emma's heart beat faster now, not in panic, but in alert awareness. She reminded herself to stay calm, to observe rather than imagine. When she finally turned her head, she saw a man walking several steps behind her. He looked ordinary, unhurried, his hands visible, his expression neutral. Their eyes met briefly. The man nodded slightly, not as a greeting, but as an acknowledgement, as if to say that he understood the tension of the moment and wished to ease it. Then, without stopping, he turned onto another street and disappeared from view. The sound of footsteps faded. Emma stood still for a few seconds, letting the silence return. Relief came slowly, followed by something unexpected: reflection. How quickly fear could appear, and how quickly it could dissolve when met with understanding rather than assumption. She resumed walking, her pace steady again. The rest of the journey felt different, lighter. When she finally reached her building, she paused before entering, looking back down the empty street. The walk had given her something she did not know she needed. A reminder that not every unexpected moment was dangerous, and not every night was meant to be rushed through. She stepped inside, carrying the quiet with her. The walk is over. The night remains calm. You can rest now. Good night.